Hi folks, I'm down in Iowa at Pilot Knob State Park looking at the scenery. With my crew and my dog, her Buddy. We were down here about 13 years ago. We sandblasted the graffiti off of this thing and poured this concrete cap around the top with 100% pure Sakrete, and it's really held up well. We did it in two different pours. That's the seam there. And I think this is the other seam over here. So anyhow, it was an interesting project considering I think we're about 35-40 feet up, and we used my old crane to get the cement up here. And getting it up the hill was even a bigger challenge. But we made it. Oh, I'm gonna grab that leash.
Yeah.
Originally, this was all made out of wood, and you could see some of the spots in the walls here where they had wooden supports. There's some over there. And eventually they all rotted out because they weren't treated wood. And they replaced it with this. We also had to sandblast all the graffiti off of the inside of it that had accumulated over the last 25-30 years since they did it last, but that was the easy part of the job. We also had to cut off the bottom of these posts and pour these concrete bases for them. So they turned out pretty good too for Sakrete. Yeah, I think it's about 40 feet. Tuck pointing is holding up pretty good. Thanks for following me to Iowa.